Hello and welcome to another R&DW Adventures. I'm Renee.
And I'm Darryl.
And
go ahead.
And today we're doing a collaboration with Mary Jo from Rolling to Orlando, where we are unboxing these pins.
Yeah, it's the Disney Parks mystery pin set, artwork by Jerrod Maruyama, I believe is how it's pronounced. They're very cute pins based on several of the attractions. So we've got like the Mad Teacups, the Figment from Epcot. We have Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, what we call Sippy Bird, which is the orange bird.
Could we have a sippy cup? He's adorable. From
we got when we were at our honeymoon for not the Food and Wine Festival.
Garden.
The Garden
Flower
Festival.
and Garden Festival.
Yeah. We got orange bird sippy cups, so we call them Sippy Bird now.
We call them Sippy Bird.
But we got the dune buggies. We got the I believe Haunted Mansion.
I think that's Haunted Mansion.
But it might be.
This one's Tower of Terror. This one's Haunted Mansion.
Yeah, you're right, definitely. So yeah, it's parks around the U.S. at least, if not around the world. It might actually be from Tokyo.
Oh.
That might make more sense.
I don't know.
But not for
I don't know what
Orlando.
These three are.
Well, one is a Mark Twain. The one she's pointing to is a Mark Twain. Yeah.
The boat. Okay, it looks like a ticket booth. That's why I was confused.
Yeah, and the
really
Autotopia is the little car.
Okay, Snow White.
Is that Snow White's Scary Adventure?
Yeah, I think that is Snow White's Scary Adventure because it's definitely Snow White. And what's this one?
That's Nemo and Friends.
Oh, okay. So Mary Jo from Rolling to Orlando asked us if we wanted to do a collaboration video, and what that is we've got 10 boxes, and I think she ordered 6 boxes. Each box has 2 pins, so when you're done watching this video, go over to Rolling to Orlando and see what pins she unboxes, and then she has first choice of any of our doubles, and we have first choice from her doubles.
So hopefully we'll both be able to complete sets.
Yes.
But
and if we're your second visit, welcome.
Yeah, if you're coming to us from her channel, welcome. We typically do our Mouse Mondays. This time we're doing it a little differently so that we release on Wednesday with her. So both videos are going to be released at the same time. And at least as of now, when we're recording this, we don't have a clue what she got.
We don't have any idea what she got, and she doesn't have any idea what we have, so that'll be fun.
Yeah.
So come on this adventure with us.
We'll figure it out afterward, and you can come on the discovery journey with us.
Right.
But let's actually give this a shot.
Okay.
And open up our first batch. And again, it's 2...
It's double taped.
Yes, it is. It's 2 pins.
I'm going to ruin the box.
Yeah, I already did. 2 pins per, and these were, I want to say these were $15 US.
Were they?
Yeah, and we got ours from Shop Disney. Which, if you've watched our channel before, we don't necessarily have the best of luck.
We don't, so we're hoping.
All right, off the top, my first one. Oh, no, I got excited because I thought it was Sippy Bird.
Autotopia?
It's Autotopia, which I do like, but that's not one of my favorites.
And I've got the guy from, I think this is from
Tower of Terror,
Oops.
yeah.
Oops. Here, you show that one.
So, Tower of Terror.
Still
at least
cool.
we don't have duplicates right off the bat.
Yes.
All right, second
if
pop.
you look
I can
back
tell
a
this
few
is
videos,
different.
I'm not sure we had
It's
one.
months and months ago.
We had an unboxing where they were almost all the same.
And I do have Finding Nemo.
Oh, very cool. I have Snow White's Scary Adventure.
You know what? I think that's the grotto.
What's that?
It's the statue garden at Disneyland.
Okay. But that's definitely
the statues
Snow
actually
White.
came from an artist, not from the studios.
Oh, that
it was
makes
a gift
sense.
to Walt Disney.
Okay.
So that's very cool.
That is very cool.
All right. So, box number 2.
Box number 2.
Oh, and I got one that isn't sealed.
Ooh.
But it's one that I wanted. It's the Haunted Mansion.
Oh, that is cool.
So,
That's
no
one
duplicates so far.
Yeah, no. Oh, yeah, I got a duplicate.
Oh, now we got a duplicate. I jinxed it.
We got another
Autotopia.
Autotopia. Haunted Mansion was one of the first rides I ever really remember from Disneyland, because the first time I went to Disney World I was like 2.
I was totally wrong. It is not the Mark Twain. It's even better. It's Oops, it's a crash. It's the Jungle Cruise.
Oh, very fun.
In
Very
the little
fun.
graphic, it looked like it was the Jungle Cruise, or the Mark Twain to me.
Oh, I see. Because of his hat, he's got the jungle outfit on.
Yeah.
I've got a duplicate from Finding Nemo.
Oh well.
But the very first ride I really remember was Haunted Mansion at Disneyland with my sister because it was raining.
All right. So I think I've got another Snow White.
I think I've got this one. I think I've got another Mark Twain.
I'm not going to complain. That's not Mark Twain. That's
Not Mark
the
Twain,
Jungle
the
Cruise.
Jungle Cruise.
Yep, another Snow White.
Another Jungle Cruise. That's okay. We might get...
And another Dune Buggy.
Oh. Fun. And me too. A triplicate of that.
All right.
Wait, how many are there? There's 10.
There's 10. So I don't think we're going to get a complete
I don't think we're
set
going to
on
get it,
our
but
own.
hopefully between us and Mary Jo, we can collaborate and come up with 2 complete sets. That would be ideal.
And I accidentally tore that box completely.
Me too. I'm not good at this. I'm not sure
what this one is offhand, but I don't think we have it.
Probably the same one I'm holding. Oh,
Nope,
teacups.
it is the same.
Oh.
Yay, we did not get
Yay.
the teacups, but I have...
Oh, here. Here, you do it. You're
Okay.
better at that. Teacups.
But I got another one of the bellhops from Haunted Mansion. And now I have another Snow White.
Me too.
Ugh,
Okay, we got 4 more to go. And we need
we need 3 more.
3. We can hope. I'm
Dum,
gonna
dum, dum.
keep this box up here so I can figure out what we're missing. Besides City Bird, which is just sad.
Yeah, we
One
need
of them.
some. Ooh, I got Mr.
Ooh,
Toad.
Mr. Toad. And, you know,
Mr. Toad's one that I definitely needed.
I got another teacup. Okay, last
And
one.
Last ones.
Last ones.
Oof.
One.
My pop didn't work. It got
My
torn.
pop
Okay,
never
I do
works.
have another Jungle Cruise. One of my favorites, but you know.
I got
Another Doom Buggy. So we did not get Figment or
Which are the 2
Sippy
we
Bird.
really wanted, right?
Yep.
Or, no, those are the only 2 we didn't
Those
get.
are the only 2?
Yep. 1, 2, 3,
Oh,
4,
yeah, we have
5,
8.
6. We have 8. So we're missing Orange Bird and Figment.
So we have duplicates of Autotopia, the bellhop
Bellhop.
from Tower of Terror.
Tower of Terror.
We have the clam buggies. Is that what they call them from the Finding
Nemo.
at Living Seas? We have the Snow White's grotto. We have the Doom Buggy. I keep
Doom
saying
Buggy.
this so fast it comes out Dune.
Well, it's like a dune buggy, but
Yeah.
it's the Doom Buggy.
The boat from Jungle
Jungle
Cruise,
Cruise.
and the teacups from the.
So, ones that if you want to trade, let us know. We for sure have these.
So we have multiple duplicates of these that we can actually for sure trade. So if you want to trade any of these 3, we've got those. The other
Then
ones,
depending on what
gets
Mary
to
Jo has,
pick
right.
first.
Right.
But another fun collection, and we did better than I expected to
We
with
did.
what we got.
We did. So, let us know if you're interested in trading any. Don't forget to hop over or roll on over to Rolling to Orlando.
We'll put that up here, I think.
Okay.
Maybe over there, but we'll put her video up so that you guys can jump to that easily. Then over here is going to be our channel icon. Click on that to hit the subscribe button, get notified of new videos when they drop. Then on this side, we'll put the Disney unboxing playlist. So if you like this, we've got a bunch more videos kind of like it.